Fixing an inactive Shopify store requires a step-by-step approach to identify and resolve the underlying issues. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section to check the store status. If your store is inactive, you will see an inactive label next to the store name. Next, review your billing information to ensure your subscription is up to date and your payment method is valid. If your payment method has expired or is invalid, update it immediately to reactivate your store. Also, check your store's email address to ensure you are receiving important notifications from Shopify. If you are not receiving emails, update your email address or contact Shopify support for assistance. Another common reason for an inactive Shopify store is the presence of outdated or incompatible apps. Review your installed apps and remove any that are no longer needed or are causing issues. Additionally, ensure your store's theme is up to date and compatible with the latest version of Shopify. If your theme is outdated, update it to the latest version or install a new theme that is compatible with your store. To prevent your store from becoming inactive in the future, set up automatic payment reminders and regularly review your store's settings and apps. By following these steps, you can identify and resolve the issues causing your Shopify store to be inactive and get back to selling products online. Regularly monitoring your store's performance and addressing any issues promptly will help prevent downtime and ensure your store remains active and profitable. By taking proactive steps to maintain your store, you can minimize the risk of it becoming inactive and focus on growing your online business.